Today we are going to learn about Narrator tools of Windows 10. Narrator is a screen reader application that automatically narrates any text from computer screen. It is a text-to-speak tool that allows us to hear text from any software like MS Word. To activate Narrator, we have to press Ctrl, Win and Enter key. Now you have to click on this minimize button. Then you have to select the text.
The domain name youtube.com was activated on 14th February 2005 with.
To turn off the Narrator tool, press again Ctrl, Win and Enter key. This is very helpful for check a Word document. You can verify your text using this Narrator tool.